How to fix unresponsive touch issue on iPhone 16 and 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video, I will show you how you can fix if you are also facing on your iPhone 16 and 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max unresponsive touch issue. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you need to launch Settings app in your iPhone. After launch the Settings app, you need to tap on Accessibility. Okay. After tapping the Accessibility, you need to tap on Touch. After tapping the Touch, you need to tap on Touch Accommodation. Okay. In that section, you need to tap on Touch Accommodation and turn it on. Okay. After that, you need to tap on OK and scroll down. Now you can see appears on screen here are showing use entire touch location. Make sure your touch selected on it. After that you need to tap on swipe gesture, okay, and turn it on also. Now you need to select it on standard. After that you need to go back, okay, and make sure it's working. Your touch is perfect right now. If it's not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone software update. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS. To check that, tap on General, tap on Software Update, and make sure you don't have any pending iOS update. If that method is also not working and you're still facing the same issue, then move to the last one. The last one is forced to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. So by do 2 to 3 simple steps, you can easily fix that. Hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching.